on number 2 of lesson 14, we have this band director that has this formula that predicts like the attendance based on their ticket prices. And he says, from past experience, if we charge T dollars for tickets to the concert, they can expect an attendance of 1,000 minus 50 times the price that they charge on the tickets. And the director used this model to figure out the ticket price needs to be $8 or greater in order for at least 600 people to attend. Do you agree with his claim? Alright, so for at least 600, that means that this is going to equal greater than or equal to 600. So really what we have here is this inequality of 1,000 minus 50 times something is going to be greater than or equal to at least 600 folks, right? So if you solve this inequality like we saw on the previous problem, you got to remember that this 50 is negative and the 100 is positive. So the first thing that you would do is you would take 1,000 away from both sides, and that would leave you with negative 50 times something is greater than or equal to 600 minus 1,000 is negative 400. And from this point, the last thing that you would want to do is take that 400 and split it up into 50 pieces. But remember, you're dividing by a negative here, which does a couple of things when you solve an inequality. First of all, it leaves you with t by itself like we wanted. A negative divided by a negative, 50 will go into that 8 times. But whenever you divide by a negative in these situations, it does flip this. So it will make it t needs to be smaller or equal to 8. And the director said that it need to be $8 or greater in order to at least get 600. It's like, no, it needs to be $8 or less for it to give you at least 600 people, at least. So as this number shrinks, the attendance actually grows because the tickets are cheaper. More people would come if the tickets are cheaper. So I think that's probably why it's spaced that way. So I'm going to say no, I disagree. The tickets need to be $8 or less to have at least 600 in attendance, is what I would say. And there's my show work to kind of back it up too. Alright, so that's number 2 for lesson 4.